Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I saved $700 on a plumbing repair that was super fast, super easy, and super cheap. I have a leak from the bathroom upstairs. So it turns out that the leak was coming from behind the light fixture. So I had to take it down, and you can see there's a lot of mildew under the fixture, so the leak's been there for quite some time. I removed some of the drywall so that I could get a better look at the pipe. And when you get a close look, you can see that there's a hairline crack and there's a little water drop showing. So I called out a plumber who said that because of the location of the pipe, it was going to cost me about $700 to replace it. That's when I decided to go to the internet and try to find a fix. I found the Rapid Patch fiber patch. It's a permanent fix, which is important because I want to patch up that drywall and replace the light fixture. The instructions look super easy. There's nothing to mix. You just cut the patch to the size that you need, peel and stick. It comes in 4 different sizes. The one I bought is 6 by 6 inches and cost about $24. The patch cures by UV light, and since I'm working indoors, I needed to get a UV flashlight. The one I chose was from RapidFix. I like it because you can bend it and maneuver it so that it can fit in awkward places, and you can also hang it. This particular flashlight I think was $15, which was very comparable to the others that I saw. So you do want to make sure that you clean the area well before you apply the patch. This is really a dusty and dirty area, so I wanted to clean it really well. I wanted to make sure that that patch adheres and that I don't have any leaks. So next I measured the area to make sure that my patch is going to fit well. Turns out that I only needed half of my patch, so I have the second half for another job if I should need one in the future. You do want to make sure that you keep the patch in its original packaging so that it doesn't get any UV light and harden on you. The patch material is soft and flexible and pretty easy to cut. It has 2 sides. The white side is the sticky side, and the other side has a clear film over it that you'll remove as well. It just helps block out the UV light. Here's a closer look at the crack and the leak. According to the packaging, gloves are optional, but I put them on because the patch has a really strong chemical odor, and you want to make sure you've got good ventilation when you're working with this product. So I waited to remove the white side of the film until I was ready to use the patch. I didn't want any chances of anything sticking to it. You can see how sticky it is. Once it touches the surface, it's stuck. So next you're going to want to smooth out any bubbles or bumps, and you want to pay particular attention to the edges to make sure you get a really good seal. Once I was pretty satisfied that it was on well, I went ahead and removed that clear plastic. Next, I placed the flashlight where it would shine on as much of the patch as possible. The patch needs to be exposed to at least 10 minutes of sunlight or UV light. I placed the flashlight on the other side of the pipe for another 10 minutes to ensure it will cure well too. So there it is, patched up and ready to go. This was super easy, and like I say, it saved me $700 on a plumber. I will keep you posted and let you know how the patch is holding. Thanks for watching.